Welcome to UC Kids, writing the letter. Hey kids, let's learn writing the letter capital X. Yes, X. X for xylophone. For this, you'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. To draw a capital X, first we will draw a right slanting line downward. Then draw a left slanting line downward. Now get your pencil and start writing. First, we will draw a right slanting line downward. Then draw a left slanting line downward. Now let's draw it one more time. Right slanting line. Left slanting line. Great job! Keep practicing. UC Kids.